Hey everyone, my name is Neil. I'm the National Training Manager at Ring here at CEDIA Expo 2023, and we are talking about the Ring job site security. So really, the brains behind this whole system is right here. It's the Ring Alarm Pro base station. So Alarm Pro has a built-in Eero Wi-Fi router, but it also has a cellular chip in there. So when you activate our Ring Protect Pro subscription for $20 a month or $200 a year, it'll actually activate that LTE chip, and then it will allow you to run your job site on a mobile connection. So by doing so, you can then now connect any Ring camera, any of our smart lighting programs such as our Spotlight battery or the motion sensor, and really connect anything on your job site, such as like a laptop or whatever you use on your regular job sites to make it run. So the job site starter kit is a 5-piece kit. It comes with the Alarm Pro base station. It comes with this powered case, and the powered case is really designed to really protect the base station from all the elements. It comes with this padlock as well. It is mountable, so it comes with two different mounts. You can mount it up against the wall. It also comes in a floor mount as well. In the case itself, you have opportunity to add backup batteries. So these are our Ring power packs, sold separately. Each power pack can power the Alarm Pro for an additional 8 hours. So in this configuration, it's an additional 16 hours of backup battery. And you also have a place to store and recharge your quick release batteries, the same batteries that we use for the stick-up cam battery. So as I mentioned, the job site security kit, starter kit is this 5-piece kit. So this case, the base station, this camera right up here, which is our stick-up cam battery, the Spotlight battery, as well as a motion sensor. It's available for $399. If you want to learn more about the job site security kit, log on to our website at ring.com.